Okay, here's some weird something. What is that? The hound? Huh. What is that? What the shit? It's coming from out back. It's like aliens. Ha! Go through the What is that?
What else can you do that?
I don't know.
You haven't found it anywhere.
No, it's coming from outside. Like out back.
We can hear the sirens over in Mitchell.
Yeah. It's aliens.